In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to buy a Wix Premium plan. Whether you're starting a new website or upgrading an existing one, purchasing a premium plan on Wix is an essential step that offers a myriad of benefits, from removing Wix ads to increasing bandwidth and storage. Let's walk you through this process step by step to ensure you make the best choice for your online presence. Begin by navigating to your Wix account's homepage. This can be easily accessed by logging into your account at wix.com. Once you are on the homepage, you'll see an overview of the different sites you manage. Make sure you're in the right dashboard for the site you want to upgrade. Now locate and click on the Settings option. This section is central to managing various aspects of your site, and it hosts the controls for your site's subscription plan. You'll find settings listed in the menu on the left-hand side of your dashboard, often near the site preview. After entering the settings menu, search for Manage Plan within the options. This will direct you to the section where your current plan is detailed. It's here that you can modify your subscription and customize the benefits you need. This option may also be listed under subscription settings depending on your current setup. Moving forward, click on Upgrade Your Site. This option provides access to all available premium plans. Wix offers a variety of pricing tiers and features. Each tier is tailored to different types of projects and business needs. Whether you're running a small online shop or need robust business tools, reviewing these options will help you decide which features are most beneficial. Now comes the crucial part, choosing the plan that best suits your needs. Wix offers several options, typically categorized into personal, business, and e-commerce plans. Consider the specifics of each plan, including storage space, bandwidth, and any additional features like a custom domain or marketing tools. This choice can significantly impact how your site functions and appears to visitors, so take the time to weigh the pros and cons of each option. Once you've made your decision, proceed to purchase the plan. Wix guides you through a straightforward checkout process, which involves confirming your selection and entering payment details. Make sure to double check the plan's details and price before completing the purchase. After payment, your account is automatically upgraded and you can start enjoying your new features immediately. And that's it. You've successfully navigated the process of purchasing a Wix Premium plan. With your upgrade in place, you're now ready to leverage the full power of Wix's tools and services to enhance your website experience. If you have any questions or experience any hiccups, Wix support is always available to offer assistance. Thank you for watching, and good luck with your website journey.